Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. I am finally here to share with you my missing haul from Simple Stories. It was missing in action for a couple of days as it traveled around my state. Well, anyways, so I purchased a kit from them when I was looking at their digitals, and I did purchase a digital of this kit as well. It just got such adorable papers and colors and all that. So it's called Flea Markets, and it looks like this. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. This is a 6x8 paper pad. Oh, here's the name, Flea Market, and it has 24 papers, and I just love the images. I was looking at it and I was like, wow, these images are beautiful. I love this image right here, this image right here, this image here, this one right here. The florals, they're just so pretty. So they also included some 12x12 loose sheets, and so it's this one right here, and it's double-sided, really pretty. This is mint with a darker teal squares, and then little squares, and then here's some cut aparts. This is so beautiful. Let me see if I could scroll down so you can see my, anyways. But and then it's got this right here, really beautiful. And then they have this one, more cut aparts, just gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the images as well. Here's this one. This one's cute. More cut aparts to make like tag flips and stuff like that. Now this one, oh my gosh, I love it. I love this. So beautiful, and more cut aparts in the back. You know, I mean, I would love to use these cut aparts, but then I wouldn't want to cut apart and then cut apart this image right here. It makes it so difficult. That's what I'm saying. Digitals are amazing because, you know, I could print this sheet over and over and over again. And then here's this one. This is tags, and it's double-sided as well. I love these images of these tags. So beautiful, and it's a nice size kit. I'm very happy with this kit. So you get to see the individual sheets. You can even cut this out, fussy cut them, and use them as embellishments. Add some glossy accents on them. Here's this one. And I thought this, oh, I love this print right here. And I thought this was like an older collection, but apparently it's from last year, and I must have missed it because I don't remember this. I mean, last year was what, 4 months ago? So I don't remember it, but yeah. And then this image, I love this part right here. This is so pretty. And then this one, oh my gosh, I love this pattern as well. And this right here, oh, that is so beautiful, so beautiful. And then you got a ledger piece right here, and then this, the cameras, which you can also fussy cut and use as embellishments. And then this pattern, I just love the colors, and they have like little little cards with the alphabets and what names and stuff. Really pretty. And then this is the last page. I didn't even count how many pages they give, but love this one right here too as well. So you get the 12x12, a few pages. You also get the cardstock stickers. They're really pretty, and I love the sizes of the stickers as well. You also get these, they're called floral bits, and there's 48 pieces of these images. They're so pretty, so pretty. And also you get 55 pieces of their bits and pieces, and you get these images. Love it. You also get these decorative brads. So they're 27 self-adhesive brads and 5 chipboard pieces. So chipboard stickers and these brads, but I don't see that it has the little prongs. It's just the top part alone, but none of the prongs. So you get that one. And then here, this is pretty. It's called page pieces to decorate when you do 12x12 pages. Really pretty. And you get 16 pieces of that. Also, you get these chipboard pieces, and these are 6 frames, and they're nice size frames. I mean, this is my hand right here, so they're pretty big. Definitely can make shakers out of this. And you know, I could make shakers out of it, and then I could like, it could be on a card. It would look so nice. This is random. I don't know how this would go with the collection. This is a stencil, which is a cobblestone stencil. Also, you get chipboard stickers, and this is 24 pieces of the chipboard sticker. Really pretty. And then I was so excited to see that they have 12 sheets of stickers. It's a sticker book. So pretty. Look at all these images right here. And you get alphabets, you get some decorative elements, some sentiments, tickets, images, tags. Beautiful, beautiful. So I was very excited to get this. And also they sent washi. And this washi has the image of the mountains and the trees. It is so gorgeous. And then this one has, it's just a random pattern. Very pretty. And then this one's got the camera. Do I have it upside down? Yeah. It's cameras. Very pretty. And then the floral prints, my favorites. I love this prints. And then this is just patterns, you know, stripes. Really pretty. So that's what the kits that I received from Simple Stories. I will put the link down below. I'm not sure if they have more, but if they do, I'll link it down below. But they do have the digital also, so I will link that as well. And then I forgot who it was. It was Liana. It's a deal here on YouTube. She had won a giveaway, and she shared a swap tracker that was created by Tamika, who is sending smiles. I believe Tamika sending smiles. And she is on Etsy. And so I will go ahead and share with you what I created. I purchased, it's a digital download. So I purchased, she's got 2 different colors of the cover. One blue and the other one's pink. So I picked up the pink one. I used the pink one. And also, so these are little discs that I got from Dollar Tree. And then this cover is a cover from Happy Planner, and I think I purchased this a while ago from Joann's. So here has a pocket, and you could change the printouts. So I printed it out on pink cardstock. And then this is how it looks. Here's the cover page where it says this book belongs to. It's created by Tamika White Morris. I will put her link down below in the description box. And then what I did is I added labels or tabs on the side, so I know if I'm gonna participate in certain challenges or swaps or something, I go to that section. So these tabs I purchased from I believe from Temu. And they're repositionable, pastel colors. I got a lot of it. And then I just printed using my Dynamo label maker the titles. So this section right here is craft ideas. So we could put like who inspired us to create those projects, and we could write our notes and stuff, things I need. And then here is an area for you to add a picture of what you created, and I think it's a great way of memory keeping as well. So I printed about 5 pages of that, or yeah, 5 pages of that. And then here's the swap worksheet. I meant to trim this in a certain way, but I was cutting a few pages at a time, and I kind of cut part of it. But here says the name of swap 1, and then the due date, the theme. So it's like if you're participating in multiple swaps in that month, then you can put down the name of the swap, when it's due, what theme you guys agreed upon and stuff, and then write more notes here. And then here's a little box section to write more notes, but like I said, I cut it off, so it came out a little bit too short. But the next time I print one, I'll make sure to cut it accordingly. And then here, so here is I put worksheet here, and then here's the challenges, the tab for the challenges, and here's the challenge information. So whoever, if you want to participate in challenges, then you could write the name, when you have to mail it out, or the due date to mail it out, who it's hosted by, the theme, and all that. So I mean, I really like this. I really like this. So and then I go to the one-on-one swap. And here is, I could put all the information if I'm doing a one-on-one swap, all the details. And then here is when you're doing a group swap. A section for the group swap. You put all the details as well. And then I just use regular cardstock, trimmed it. And here is my little swap tracker that I could keep all of my ideas and all of my challenges I decide to participate in swaps and group swaps and so on. So I'm very excited to start using this and get organized because sometimes I write things in a notebook and then sometimes I don't. So it all depends, but I want to keep organized and then take a picture as well for record keeping. So alright everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will put the link to Simple Stories and then I'll also add a link to Tamika's Etsy. I don't know if she has YouTube, but I'll put a link to her shop where you can get this swap tracker. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.